Today, I will show you how to generate custom icons in the Airbnb style for your designs. As you know, with the new Airbnb update, the icons they used have become very popular. To be honest, I also like the style they used in the application. So why don't we use this style in our products? Let's get started. Open Plugger.ai. I use Plugger for two important reasons. The first is that you pay once and use it for a lifetime. No need to pay every month. That's the best part, I think. The second reason is that you can create new styles with your own images. Think of it this way. You like a style or design, so you just upload 5 examples of that design and start generating new images in the same style. Let's continue with registering. They have dozens of tools, all accessible with a one-time payment, no subscription. Today, I'll show you Airbnb icons, so we're selecting the icon tool from the list. And then I'm selecting a style for the icon tool. We will use the Airbnb style here. As I mentioned before, you can create your own style and access it here as well. I just made an example, so I wrote only a rocket icon in the description area. You can provide more details about your icon. By the way, you can select your primary and secondary colors for your icon and even control its size. Just 5 seconds and my icons are ready. You can change your prompt and enhance the results, but the quality is already very good. We can click on one of them now. You can make changes to the clicked icon, such as removing the background, modifying the icon, resizing it with Smart Outfill, or simply downloading a high-quality version. I mentioned before, it is the easiest and most economical way to generate Airbnb icons. Follow me for more design tips.